Okay, so the puzzle is here. This is my older from Skippy Skittle from the Lenong session. And her actually the other day. And yay! Wow, the ribbon is already wow. It's too bad. Oh, that's cute. Anyway, okay. No. Oh wow, we got Butcher. That's cool. Okay, which one? Which one do you want to open first? Oh my god, there's like so many. I really don't know which one should I open first. Okay, wait, let me try this one first. So this one is this a card and freebies. Only I and you can break the chain. Oh, kita jaga kita. Oh wait. Wow. Wait, did I? I think this is freebie. I think I just bought this. I don't know. I don't remember. To passage the drama. That's beautiful. Yay! I'm so excited. So I'm gonna use this in my journal. Let's see how I use them. Maybe others. Not with that lighting. Sorry guys. So this is I think this is all the minimal icon stickers by Skippy Skittle. So wow, that's a lot. So all of these are available in her shop. If you see what you like, you can go get them. This is very useful. This is gonna be so useful. So cute. Very cute, and I love this size. It's so small. I can use this in my weekly planner. I use passport size traveler's notebooks. Yeah. And then we have this. Oh, it's so yeah, snuggles. And I love this. I've been wanting this for a long time. Me adding this to card. Finally, I got it. This is like journaling or scrapbooking stuff. And I got this for ₱1 only because it's Lenong. Yay, so cute. Whoa, mura. Beautiful. You can use this for a lot of things, you know. And this is like the best. Best product by her. What do you call this? Like a see-through sticker? I'm sorry for the noise, by the way. Oh, that's so cute. It's so small. It's smaller than I thought. And yeah, oh, this is way too cute. Like you can use this for thick deposits. I love this. Right, so that is all. That's all the stuff I got. Beautiful.